Jason here with Couto Construction. We believe in giving back to our community and helping those who have helped others.
Loretta O'Neil is an Army veteran who has given so much to others.
I was a combat medic.
Yeah, so
And I flew medevac for 12 years.
Despite facing abuse and manipulation in her career, and more recently, a car accident where she lost her leg, Loretta still finds a positive in life.
No matter what happens in your life, keep moving forward.
Yeah.
Keep moving forward, right? So God has been good to me.
Yeah.
Despite all the crap that I've been through, He always has me in mind.
When we found out her roof was in need of repair, we wanted to take action.
It would certainly relieve me of the stress of having to take out a loan and put it on.
Being such a strong and independent person, Loretta has been working on the home repairs herself.
you're getting up and down the staging
yeah.
with your prosthetic and
Oh yeah, wow, no problem.
This holiday season, we've seen the true power of community and kindness.
we're actually here to tell you that you are the winner of the Couto Roof for a Hero giveaway.
Oh wow.
By coming together, we've given more than just a new roof to a deserving veteran. We've provided hope, security, and gratitude for their selfless service. Let this act of generosity remind us all of the difference that we can make when we support one another.
To our veterans and their families, thank you for your sacrifices. Here's to building a brighter future, one act of kindness at a time.
And from your family here at Couto Construction, happy holidays.